we're going to start by opening the files that we took. You should have 3 images, one of the background and one of yourself twice. So I think these are mine. Yep. Here. And then I'm going to press Shift and select the top one and say open. Okay. No. Did it open these? Oh yeah, here we go. All right, so I'm going to work with the background image, which is not here. Okay, try that again. So open. I don't know why I didn't open the background image. Oh, I think this is because this is the one I was working with. Okay. I'm going to go back to the original. There we go. All right, so I'm going to pick my first one, press Command A to select all, and then Command X to cut it. Go back to your original. Maybe I can find it somewhere. Command V to paste it. As you can see, they're a little off in the color, so we're going to have to work a little bit more carefully. I don't know why. And then go to the next one. Command A to select all. Command X to cut it. And Command V. Okay, so I'm going to make a layer mask in which I paint myself back into it. So I'm going to make my opacity of this layer less.
Just make sure it doesn't like go over what you don't want.
Why is this not working? There we go. Be in that one. And then you want to add a layer mask to it, and you are going to paint in the one that is not really there. So the one that's not really there is this one. You're going to make a layer mask. Make sure you're painting in the layer mask. Painting black, so get your paintbrush. I'm going to make my brush a little bit bigger. Make sure it has a nice soft edge on it. I'm going to turn my flow down a little bit so I can move a little slower, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint myself back in. So these images were, I'm not sure about the color, so I'll be able to tell when I go back. So make sure I don't, get that camera in there. Yes? In just a minute when I'm done with this. Okay. Now I'm going to turn the opacity all the way back up on my original image here. And then I should be able to see both of them. See, I didn't do a very good job painting myself. So I'm going to keep doing that until all of that black is gone over top of me. Yes, what's your question?
When you're doing the quick selection thing, if it's select too much, how do you get rid of the section that you hold?
Hold Option and it'll make it minus. Okay, so so I have most of myself, and actually the color looks pretty good. This one. All right, so I'm gonna put a brightness and contrast layer over all of it. I'm gonna adjust it a little bit just to make it kind of. You could even put like a filter over the whole thing if you wanted to make them tie together a little bit. So this is how you do that. It's up to you. You don't have to. If you want to make it black and white, you could. I don't care. It's your image. So I put like a warming filter over it. You could put a cooling filter. I don't love the way that looks. So let's see. I'll keep the warming filter. I'm going to take the density down a little bit. You don't have to put the filter on if you don't want to, but I'm going to. And then I'm going to merge my visible layers here.
Make sure you don't go over like the building.
Got to think about it. And then I'm going to say File, Save As. I'm going to save it as a JPEG. I'm also going to save it as PERS, Duality. I would like you to also save yours with your name and Duality, and save it to your documents, and then turn it into me. Okay, so you should have 2 of these, and they should both be showing different things, and that's it.